gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
The Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro, called the Red Magic Astra 2 globally, brings something most tablets simply don't. At first glance, you know it's different.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
While other brands keep making camera bumps bigger, Red Magic went in a bold new direction. It packed a desktop-style transparent design into a compact 9.06-inch body. But here's the cool part. That blue section isn't just for looks. It's a real circulating liquid cooling system. Set it on your desk and you can actually watch the coolant move. It's a futuristic touch that makes the back impossible to ignore. Flip it over and the front stays clean and premium. You get ultra-slim 4.9mm bezels, a 90.1% screen-to-body ratio, and a display that feels exactly as premium as you'd expect. My favorite detail? The completely flat back. It stays rock solid on any surface, whether you're grinding FPS games, rhythm titles, or tapping at full speed. No wobble, just a stable gaming experience. Looks are great, but performance is what really matters, so I put it to the test. First up was Crossfire, where every match is packed with skilled players. Thanks to the 185Hz refresh rate and the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, gameplay stayed incredibly smooth. Even during intense battles, there were no frame drops or stutters. The response felt instant whenever an enemy appeared. Then I cranked up the graphics in an open-world FPS game. The OLED display delivered vibrant colors, sharp effects, and buttery smooth movement. This is where the screen really shines. After gaming on this, I definitely can't blame the tablet for missing a shot or mistiming a swipe. The biggest surprise came after long gaming sessions. The tablet stayed comfortable to hold without getting uncomfortably hot. Unlike many compact tablets that throttle performance and dim the screen after an hour, this one kept going strong. It stays cool, performs consistently, and delivers the same smooth experience from start to finish. Here's the best part. It isn't just fast, it stays fast. Even after 2 hours of non-stop gaming, the tablet was only slightly warm. Frame rates stayed steady, brightness never dipped, and the experience felt exactly the same. The secret? A triple-layer cooling system with liquid cooling, liquid metal, and a large VC heat plate. It handles heavy gaming without needing a bulky external fan. Just pick it up and play. But I wasn't done yet. I had to try something even crazier. PC game emulation. And honestly, this is where things get interesting. It's no longer just a fun trick. Playing PC games on mobile hardware actually feels practical. Setup is easier than you'd think, too. Just open GameSpace, download a pro player's control layout, and you're ready. Kick back on the couch, explore huge worlds, and enjoy your games without the hassle. No, it won't replace a PC gaming, but gaming comfortably anywhere, that's hard to beat. Then there's another feature I love, the dual USB Type-C ports. You can charge the tablet while using wired headphones at the same time. Whether you want longer battery life or maximum performance, you've got the choice. There's a reason pro esports teams like Qingju and KG use it, and why it's the official device for 5 major esports tournaments. Its gaming credentials are the real deal. Sadly, they still can't improve my aim. There's one more feature worth talking about. It uses one of Red Magic's latest eye protection technologies. Since blue light can cause eye strain, the display uses a special light source to help reduce fatigue and make long sessions more comfortable. That's also why the screen can look a little different in certain situations. If you've used Red Magic before, this won't surprise you. They love adding features other brands wouldn't even try. Sometimes it feels a little over the top, but it's never boring. This tablet follows that same philosophy. In a market full of tablets that all look alike, this one actually stands out. So if you're looking for a compact gaming tablet and want something different, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro, called the Red Magic Astra 2 globally, is absolutely worth checking out. And if my mom asks what I've been using, it's a learning tablet. You know, the one that neutralizes blue light. And yes, it really does.